Hello everyone! Our today's video is going to be a bit different from what we usually have on our channel. In comments to my previous videos, you asked me about the ways you treat acne and blackheads. In this video, I want to share with you my personal experience regarding this topic. We're not going to cover serious problems, since it's better to approach a dermatologist or endocrinologist for that. We're going to talk about mild cases and ways you can help yourself. First reason is normally a hormonal disbalance that normally causes acne among teenagers and older people as well. Let's talk about treatment for teenagers first. It is crucial to take care of your nutrition. Sodas, sugary drinks, and greasy products are the ones that cause acne. If you avoid those products, your skin will get way cleaner. Secondly, if you're stressing out, even about those same acne a lot, it also causes acne to appear on your face. It is important to remember that this condition is not permanent, and if you treat your skin right, it will go away. Now let's cover some of the important failures in skin treatment that are usual among teenagers, starting off with toners and cleansers that shrink your pores. During this age, sebaceous glands are working extra hard, and by using those types of toners, you prevent sebum, which is skin oil, from getting through your skin, so it blocks your pores. During this period, you should use a non-aggressive cleanser. Another usual mistake is insufficient skin hydration. Due to usage of aggressive skin products, your skin gets dehydrated, breaking your hydrolipid layer. Your skin, as a self-defense mechanism, produces even more sebum to rebuild the hydrolipid layer. Surface of your skin looks like paper but greasy on top. Therefore, you should get rid of skin products that overly dry your skin, such as products containing alcohol, and apply light hydrating cream for an acne-prone skin type. For ladies who are about 20 to 30 years old, I would recommend to visit a gynecologist or endocrinologist if you face acne. Usually, excessive production of male hormones can cause skin inflammations in lower parts of your face and on your neck. After you start taking prescribed hormones, you can notice an improvement in your skin conditions. Women in menopause in some days tend to get excessive amounts of sebum, which is mixing together with makeup and sweat can provoke acne. In this case, I would also recommend a consultation with a doctor and regulation of your nutrition. Now I'm going to share some advices that helped me personally to get rid of light form of acne. First of all, it's nutrition. Try to avoid greasy and sugary foods and keep water balance, 30 milliliters of water per kilo of your weight. It is very important for cell cleansing and right circulation. Face cleanser can be replaced with men's shaving cream. It contains a lot of vitamins, soft cleansers, and antiseptic substances. For some little spots, you can use some calendula infusion. Apply it directly on the pimple with a Q-tip and leave it overnight for it to work. Once a week, make a face mask with clay, adding some tea tree oil drops into it. Another ingredient you can use for a face mask is zinc ointment. You can make a face mask with it once a week as well. All of these advices are purely based on my experience, but all of my clients who used those methods were very happy with the results they got. If you found this video interesting, subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Share your experience and ask your questions and comment. I will be glad to answer them.